15 Malibu, the control switch goes bad. For the, it gets corroded in here, and it goes bad. It gets corrosion in here, and it burns the circuit board, and it just go bad. So you gotta replace. Order to fix it, nothing works. It just gets stuck. AC, nothing. So order to fix it, you gotta replace it.
Get a new one or get a used one?
I got a used unit for it. This one. So
now, how does it get corroded though? Like from coffee or just moisture in the air?
water got in there somehow. They dropped something, so it go bad. So now
That's common. You know, the older Malibus, which I do have a video on, had a problem with them with the connections on the dials.
yeah.
You can look that up if you're watching Joe Beermaster, which you are. And just basically re-plug a new one in and bolt it in with about 4 bolts.
Yeah.
So if your controls aren't working, you're...
Off top.
Yeah.
Come over here. Move the other side. I gotta get in there like perfect.
Where do you want to move?
No, this thing has to go. The bottom piece is
So
getting
now we're testing it, and it is working good.
Alright, so we gotta have to. Off top.
Put everything back together.